Here we go, day one on a full bathroom remodel. Complete tear out, conversion from a tub to a walk-in shower, new vanity floor, you name it. Here we go. Time to head over, pack up some tools, and like usual, scan our gym membership cards and demo this bathroom. What's up, everybody? Here we are, another video, another full bathroom remodel. Nice little rainy day. We have the trailer set up over here. We don't need many tools today, obviously. Tool bag, all of our basic DeWalt stuff, you know, Sawzall, multi-tool, screw gun. Here's all of our supplies. We like it when it happens like this. Our client orders everything and has it all delivered into the garage vanity, shower pan tile, floor and shower tile, mixing valve, faucet for the vanity. It's gonna be a quick one. I'm hoping that we can get this done in about 8 days, maybe 9. So let's show you the existing surround. Of course, we like to protect the carpet with this plastic sticky carpet protector. This alleviates the need to put drop cloths down every day and remove them and shake them out every day as well. So here we are. Nice green paint, floated vanity top, tile on the floor, and you have your builder's grade 4x4. So let's rip this out. We are going to relocate the shower head to this wall, fixed panel right here, and we're going to keep the mixing valve installed over here. So we're gonna have to plumb the shower head through the framing. We'll show you how we do that. Let's get to it. Let's rip the shower out, rip the floor out, and rip the vanity out. Here we go. All right, guys, demo is complete. It took us about 2 hours. Fairly simple to get this 4x4 builder's grade off with the drywall. Came off in sections. The tub was simple to remove as well. We're going to leave the floor because it's simple and easy to clean up. Leave the toilet for obvious reasons. And the floated vanity was, it took about half an hour to rip out. So all in all, demo's complete. Now it's time for rough plumbing and then prep. Backer board, self-leveler, and valve, move the drain to center. We're now working on this floor here. HardieBacker, thin setted to the subfloor, actually on the linoleum, but it's coming out in 2-inch pieces. Not a lot of fun, but a good workout. The floor will probably take longer to tear out than the entire shower surround and tub, but it is what it is. Let's get to work. All right, here we go, guys. Time for prep. Valve has been installed. Drain has been moved to center. We're getting our Curdy board up. We framed our niche so that tiles obviously end right at the bottom of the sill. It just takes a little bit of math and pre-planning for this, and basically that's it. Niche is all framed out, installed. Let's put our board up. Let's get this shower surround prepped, waterproofed, and ready for tile. Here we go. Okay guys, all the board is up. Next step is waterproofing. We're gonna waterproof these walls before we install the shower pan. The niche is framed. As you can see, there are extra washers and screws. Simple reason for that. This is against stucco, and the stucco is trying to push our niche out. So we want this nice and flush. Let's mix up some thinset and waterproof the seams and screws. As per usual with our Schluter showers, we use Schluter, all set for this build. So here is our Schluter curb, prefabricated, waterproofed, ready to go, but it is massive. So we're gonna cut it down. We can get 4 curbs out of that single curb. We like low profile curbs, a little over 3 inches in height and width. Let's show you how to do that. Okay guys, everything's all waterproofed, ready to go. Our next step is very simple. We are going to protect the pan down there. With cardboard, we are going to install a ledger board and start to tile up on that ledger board. We're going to use the remainder of this curb here for our ledger board on this back wall. We'll show you how we do that. Here we go. And there you have it, folks. Pan is protected. Our ledger board is up. All nice and level. Full tiles ending right at the bottom of our niche. Let's have some fun and quickly build this shower.